Hey guys, welcome back to the Cotton channel. So as many of you all know that there is an iOS 16 that is already released about 2-3 weeks ago during the WWDC. So this is very interesting. So iOS 16 is actually very interesting. So the first thing is that they have this interface that is different. So let me show you. You see, the interface is different. You can actually customize a lot of things in your home screen. You can change the time, change the widget. You can basically customize everything. So let's get into how to download this. So the easiest way to do this is download you just go to Google and search for download iOS 16, and then you will see this tannershare.net. So this is the one that I've trusted. So you have to do your own research and see if you can trust this. But I am already using it and I have no problem using it. So you click into it and then you want to look for this link. The first step is to get iOS 16 beta profile download link for free. So this is actually very interesting because at this moment it is actually still in beta version. So there's only one way to get this thing. Actually, the only way is to sign up for the Apple developer program, and then you have to pay $99 and then get approval, and then after that you are kind of the Apple developer team and stuff like that, and then after that you get to try all the beta stuff. But I do not want to pay for the $99 and I do not want to wait and whatnot and all these things, not at this moment. So this is the easiest way to do this. So once you click into this, you will be let's try. It will say configure profile available. This website is trying to download a configuration profile. So once it's done, once you click on continue, when you go on to here, it will show like the new updates available and stuff like that. So all you need to do is just clicking on update software, if that makes sense. Okay, just click on update software or update to new OS and stuff like that, and then you will be able to have it in about half an hour depending on your internet connection. So I have a 100 Mbps speed over here, so it took about half an hour for me to update to this, and it's very seamless. So they encourage you to back up your stuff and everything before you even update to this in case there's any problem. So I did back up my stuff, and then it doesn't really change because after I updated the whole thing, everything looks exactly the same except for the interface are much more different and there are much newer features and stuff like that. So now you know, so please do let me know in a comment if you have any difficulty into downloading this app or if there's any problem arising from that. And I hope to see you guys in the next video again. Bye bye.